Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G21 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So actually we have to enter the settings first of all. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find system. And now we have to tap on gestures. And here, as you can see on the third position, we've got the system navigation, so let's tap. And as I said, we've got the 3-button navigation, so basically we've got 3 buttons which are responsible for different actions. And in order to set the gestures, you have to simply tap on this very first option. And as you can see, of course, here we've got the animation of how to use the gestures. I will show you later on. What's more, we can tap on this settings icon. And here we can change the back sensitivity, which means that you can customize the area which will be responsible for reacting on this particular gesture, which will simply take you back to the previous page, let's say. So I would like to explain how to use it. It's very easy. So in order to get back, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center. And as you can see right here, we've got this arrow, and after releasing the finger, you will simply go back. And it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left or the right side, it works the same. So just like that, as you can see, we just go back to the previous page. So in order to get back to the home page, all we have to do is to simply swipe our finger up fastly, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got the home page. So in order to open the recents, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up again, but this time do it slowly and hold it somewhere here. As you can see, here we've got the recents. So actually this is it. This is how to set the gestures navigation bar in your NOKIA G21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.